In this video, I'm going to show you how to give a guy space so he misses you and comes back to the relationship to make it stronger than ever. So here's the deal. You're dating a guy and everything's going fine, but out of nowhere, he starts texting you less, calling you less, and even when you're together, he just seems distant and not his normal loving self. He just seems not as excited about you, and you feel this wall between you. This may cause you want to chase him, which leads him to want to pull away, causing you to panic even more. Basically, you're afraid of losing him, but your fear may unintentionally push him away instead of bringing him closer. That is what happens when you don't know how to give him space in the right way. But don't worry, I got your back and will teach you how your man works and how to accept him as he is. First, let's talk about why men sometimes need space in a relationship. The biggest reason is stress. It could be something from the relationship, or it could have nothing to do with the relationship. But either way, you will feel him pull away just the same. Men, when they're feeling stress or in need of solving a problem, want to deal with it alone. They've been conditioned to be the big strong men and not be vulnerable, ask for help, or show emotions which they perceive as weakness. Thus, your big strong man will appear to be distant, but really what he's doing is entering his man cave to solve or distract his brain from the problem, and will return when he feels strong again or has solved the problem. When he pulls away, you may think the problem has to do with you. You may then see your man watching TV, playing video games, going to the gym, or hanging with friends, and wonder why these activities are getting his attention, but he won't give you that same attention. The male brain works differently than yours. He has this magical power to turn off the side of his brain that is feeling stress, which is unlike your brain, which has 10 times more receptors between the right and left hemisphere, which causes you to feel like your brain is always flipped on and never turns off. So when he's watching TV or hanging with his buds, he turns off the stress, enjoys his time, and at some point when he revisits the stressful tasks, he feels magically less stressed and clear-minded to solve the problem or at least move past it. His stress is relieved this way and not by receiving support or by talking it out, which may be helpful for you. If you make him discuss his stress, he will become more stressed, start producing estrogen, and will actually become irritable. Now, it also could be pulling away because he's losing interest in you, possibly because you got in a nasty fight, or maybe you've been acting a bit needy or clingy. Both of these reasons for your guy taking space will be handled in identical fashion. Let me explain. But first, let me tell you what not to do. 1. Do not go running after him. Your natural instinct when your girlfriend is upset with you or stressed is to be by her side, make her feel heard and listened to. Your man is not one of your girlfriends. Imagine the last time you felt fully stressed and a desperate need to be by yourself. Perhaps someone chased after you and all you felt was, do not touch me, don't talk to me, please, I need some time to myself. Whenever a man's emotions are running high, this is exactly how he's feeling. So treat him the way you want to be treated when you needed space. You may be thinking, let me cheer him up. You may send him inspirational texts, romantic gestures, or even try seducing him. All these things normally would be received extremely well. However, in his current state, it will just feel like an additional burden and add to his stress. This will cause him to pull even further away. Next, do not overthink why he has pulled away. your thinking will quickly turn into problem-solving mode, which is a hugely masculine energy task. When you are in your masculine, you're not in a relaxed and calm state. This type of energy may lead you down a rabbit hole replaying all your interactions over the last few days, weeks, and trying to uncover what you did wrong. When in reality, him needing space may have absolutely nothing to do with you. This obsessing leads you down a dark path of nitpicking your insecurities, which is not necessary. And frankly, you are fabulous and probably did nothing wrong. Now let's shift gears to what you should do when he needs space. First, get your fear under control. Perhaps you attached your self-worth to how well your relationship is doing. Your guy pulling away is making you immediately jump to the worst case scenarios that you're going to be single in a week, and thus as a single person, you're less value. Of course, this is not true, but sometimes our brain emotions play trick on us. However, here's the deal. You control how you feel. Decide that you are not afraid. Decide that you are amazing. Decide that your emotional state has nothing to do with his state. You are happy. You are there for him if he needs you, but you're in control of how you decide to feel. Next, step 2. Give him space. This is your time to shine. Are you ready to be the sexiest, most amazing woman on the planet? All the women before you didn't see this video and don't know this information, but you're watching this. You have the insider information on how men work, so let's show them how incredible you are. You're not going to force him to talk. Instead, you're going to give him all the time he needs. You're not going to text him or call him. Instead, you're going to tell him that he's an amazing man, and if and when he wants to chat, you've got his back. But otherwise, go handle your business, you stud. All right, step 3. Enjoy yourself. Practice self-care. Close your eyes. Breathe through your nose. How does your body feel? What does your body need? What does your brain need? Go do whatever you need. You deserve this. Enjoy it. Final reminder, a man taking space most of the time is not about you. But if you make it about the relationship, he will pull away longer. And then he may start wondering if you're the type of woman that truly understands and accepts him. Instead, be the sexy, intelligent man whisperer that understands him sometimes better than he understands himself. You got this. All right, ladies. That's how you do this. That's how you be a rock star. I hope this is helpful. If you want to watch more videos, we got videos there and there. Until next time, love all of you. See you next time.